Now it wasn't. Now I God may know what happened to my voice or what is going wrong with me. Uh, I realized that I wasn't feeling well. See, it's only happened to me because I have a very bad cough. And I have a very bad some rash and some running nose. I don't even think I feel well. That so it looks like I wasn't even feeling well. That that's what happened. My bad cough. I'm afraid I can't even do record myself well on my back cough. That and it doesn't even spin like this for you. I didn't even die. I caught a cold for something. It wasn't even felt like this. Looks like I must have accidentally drank like some cold drinks that causing me to get a runny nose. And I don't like get runny nose that I so that's how I wasn't even feeling well. Looks like I'm gonna have to not record myself for a long time to get my cough away. It looks like I won't be feeling. It looks like I will be getting sick for the rest of you two for a while. Looks like you can hopefully I can feel better soon. Right. Well, I guess you may know. Anyway, I hope you make guys so that me feel better.